Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install WinRAR, and with WinRAR you can basically just unzip files and you can extract files into folders and you can move files into different folders. It's just a lot easier to use. So let's get right into the video. So first what you want to do, you want to go to the link in the description and click on the WinRAR link, or you want to go to my Discord, which the link will be in the description, and then you want to open up this link right here, or this one, doesn't really matter. So now once this is open, you want to hit download WinRAR, hit it again, and install it wherever you want. Alright, so now once it's installed, you open it, and there's going to be a thing on your screen. It should say allow WinRAR to like have permissions or something like that. Just hit yes, and then you want to hit install. Now once it's installed, you want to hit OK, and then hit done. And now you have WinRAR. This will pop up. It's just a thank you for downloading it. This is just like a folder for WinRAR. And now you have WinRAR, and now you can use it to extract files, unzip files, and stuff like that. That's what I actually used to extract kernel in my one video. And that's all. Like and subscribe, and have a great day.